If you're starting an Apples unit like us and are looking for some activities to do with your 1 or 4-year-old, here are some activities that we put together. A few of these activities I did find online by scrolling through Pinterest or just hashtags. Other ideas were inspired by the Playing Preschool Year 1 Apples unit. I did take the leap and invest in this unit just so we can have something to do over the summer. Their Apples unit does consist of 2 weeks, but I decided to shrink it down to 1 week since my kids like to do activities non-stop throughout the day. A lot of these activities were easy to set up the day of. I love how I was able to introduce all these activities to my 1-year-old and spark her curiosity. My 4-year-old had a blast going through all the activities. He even kept asking me what activity we were going to do next.